Hello and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to find the cube of an algebraic expression and how to find the solution to simultaneous linear equations. So let's get started. Square plus b cube. Another one is a minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now let's solve an example to find out how these formulas really work. So suppose we have an example that is 2x minus 7y and we have to find the cube of it. So we will write it as 2x minus 7y and we will write 2x minus 7y and we will write cube here. Now evaluate it according to the formula number 2, that is a minus b whole cube. So in this expression we have 2x as a and 7y as b. So we'll write it as 2x whole cube like this, then minus 3a square b. So we will write 3 in place of a square. We will write 2x whole square, and in place of b we will write minus 7y. Minus 7 but plus 7, as minus is already there, so but there is no, in fact there is no need of even writing plus or minus, so it will become 7y, and then we will write plus according to the formula, then 3 in place of a we will write 2x, in place of b square we will write 7y whole square and minus 7y square y cube in place of b cube. Now we will simplify it further, which will make it 8x cube minus the product of 3 and 7 is 21, and 2 square gives 4, so 21 multiplied by 4 gives 84 x square y plus it will become the product of 7 square, the product of 7 squares 49, 49 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives 294 xy square minus 7 cube gives 343y cube. So this is the answer of the given expression. Now let's solve another example, that is 2a plus 3b. So if we compare it with formula number 1, we can evaluate it like equals 2a cube plus 3 into 2a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b square plus 3b cube. Now it will become 8a cube plus 3 into 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 9b square plus 27b cube. Simplify it further, it will give 8a cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square plus 27b cube. So this is the required answer, and that one is the answer of example number 1. Now we have another example in which we have to find x cubed plus 1 over x cubed when x plus 1 over x equals 4. So we will write it as x plus 1 over x equals 4, and we will take cube on both sides like this. So now it is a plus b whole cube formula. So we will write it as x cube plus 3x plus 3 into 1 over x plus 1 over x cube equals 4 cube gives 64. Alright, now we can rearrange the given expression x plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x plus 1 over x equals 64. Alright, now we can write it again, x plus 1 over x cube plus 3, and in place of x plus 1 over x we can write 4 equals 64. Now x cube plus 1 over x cube, and here we will get 12, so we will shift 12 to the right side of the equality, so it will become 64 minus 12, and now x cube plus 1 over x cube equals 52 is the required answer of the given expression.